Welcome back to Kemble's tutorial. Today we'll be looking at mathematics and the topic is logarithm that has to do with simultaneous equations. Okay, let's dive into the questions. Solve the simultaneous equations. Log x base 10 plus log y base 10 equals to 4 and log x base 10 plus 2 log y base 10 equals to 4. Looking at the question, all are in base 10. Okay, so that will be very simple for us. Now, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So, looking at equation 1, we have the log. You take one of the log to base 10. And in between x and log x and y, we have plus in between both of them. And in plus in logarithm means you multiply x and y. So you have x and y. So we have grouped them together. Equals to, on the right hand side, we have 4. We need to invite log to base 10 here so that we can easily eliminate it. So for us to do that, we must invite log 10 base 10. Now this 10 must be raised to the power of 4. Okay? So now we now have log to base 10 on the left hand side and log to base 10 on the right hand side. We can easily eliminate them. So we will now have xy equals to 10 to the power of 4. So this is our new equation 3. Now, let's do the same thing with equation 2. In equation 2, I will do the same thing. But before that, this 2 that is in front of logarithm will be moved to be a power with y. That is the law. Okay? So I will take one of the log to base 10, then x this time around, then y square. I will multiply them because I still have plus in front here. In between the two logs, I still have plus. So I will pick x, I will multiply to y square. Remember, this 2 will come over here and become 2 square. So I become y square. Is equals to, I will do the same thing here on the right hand side. I will bring log of base 10 and log 10 raised to power 3. So this will now enable me to eliminate log to base 10, log to base 10. I will now have my xy square is equals to 10 to the power of 3. This is my new equation 4. Now I will solve equation 3 and equation 4 simultaneously. So let me put them back here. I have xy equals to 10 raised to the power of 4. That means 4 zeros. Then I'll now have xy square is equals to what? 10 raised to the power 3. Xy square is 10 raised to the power 3. I have 3 zeros. Now solving them simultaneously, I can say, okay, this is my equation 3, this is my equation 4. I can say, okay, let me divide equation 4 by equation 3. So it means xy square over xy is equals to 1000 over 10,000. Okay, now my x will cancel my x, my y will cancel one of the y's here, then my 30 will cancel this 30. What remains is that my y is equals to 1 over 10. So this is the value of my y. Now it's left for me to find x. So I will substitute this equation into any of the equations here. So let's pick equation 1. So my xy is equals to 10,000. Remember, my y is 1 over 10. So my x into 1 over 10 is equals to 10,000. So my x now, I will now cross multiply. So my s is equals to 10 multiply 10,000, which will give us 100,000. So my x is 100,000. Okay, so my y is equals to 1 over 10 and my x is equals to 100,000. Thank you viewers for watching, and please try to subscribe to my channel for more videos.